Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply data entry job in Upwork. Well, this is very easy thing to do. In the search bar you have to just type data entry, right? And once you type here data entry, you will find there's a lot of different keywords. For example, Excel data entry. Well, there's a different kind of niche inside a data entry. So if you just want to work for Excel or for the Word, you can just search for it. But here if you just type data entry, you will find a lot wider reach of jobs, right? So here you can see this is a job search, and the first one is virtual assistant for creating USA eBay clothing listing, right? That is basically, this is a data entry type, but here you have to create, you can just click on it and you will get all the description, that what's the requirement, what are the skills that this recruiter needs from you, right? And same goes for a different kind. I need someone to perform data entry and research to build a list, right? So here you can just click on it and here you will find everything, right? For example, this is a description, you can read about this, and once you have gone through the details and everything, here you will just click on apply now. And once you click on apply now, it will ask you to submit a proposal, right? So proposal means that whether if you how much you are willingly to get paid, right? For example, that recruiters wants to a different payment system, you want a different. So here this kind of information is here, right? These are the terms and conditions, you can just read. For example, I need $10 for per hour, right? So if I'm just working for this person, I need $10, right? This is a 10% that freelancer service charge, that is Upwork charging, and basically after minus you will get $9 per hour, right? And once you have agreed with it, how often do you want to a rate increase? So I just want a rate increase after every 3 months, and this is the percentage, which is around 5%. Here you can see that the amount. Now here if you scroll a little bit down, you will find this cover letter. So cover letter is basically why you want to apply, right? And there are, most of the time there are certain kinds of question that is asked by the recruiter. You just need to answer. You can send your CV, you can send your experience and the clients to whom you have worked for, right? And after attaching all the files, you can just click on, scroll a little bit down and click on send for add connects, right? This is the first, second and third and fourth. Basically for every bid you will need extra connects. Per month we just receive a very particular amount of connect. So connect is basically used to apply for jobs, right? You can't apply unlimited jobs in a single day, right? So this proposal will cost me around 8 connects, but if I want to place for the first place, it will add up 30 more, so I have to pay 30, right? After doing everything, you have to just click on send for 8. So if there is some kind of error, please fix this error below. So here if you just scroll a little bit down, here you can see I didn't added something in the cover letter, but you need to add it because this is very important, and you can just click on apply and your proposal will be sent. So this is how you can apply data entry jobs in Upwork. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.